Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to be continuing on with my Christmas decorating series, and I'm going to show you how I decorate this corner here in a red and animal print theme. It's a little unconventional for me, but it's going to be so pretty and a little wild, and it's going to be quick. So I hope you enjoy it. In this video, I'm collaborating with Debbie Bubbles. We are both presenting to you red and animal print Christmas decor displays. I believe Debbie might be doing a tablescape for you. She is quite possibly the queen of animal print, and I really hope that you will go check out what she has done. I've linked her channel in my description box so that you can check out her video as well. So here's what it looks like now. You can see I have a lot of brown to go with this painting here. And it's just a two-tiered shelf. So I'll show you how I bring in some red and animal print and make it really pretty. As always, I wipe down any surface before I decorate it. So I'm doing both the top and bottom shelf, and then I'm also going to clean the floor and the baseboards there and just free everything of dust so that we start with a nice clean slate. The first thing I did before even placing anything down is I moved the table away from the wall a little bit, because what I have placed up here needed a bit of extra room. So I purchased these amazing boxes at HomeSense, probably last week, maybe the week before. Some of you may have seen it on my community tab. I did post them, and I took a drive to London, Ontario, checked out the HomeSense there, of course, and found these boxes and had to go home with them. I thought they were absolutely beautiful, and they're most definitely the inspiration for this whole look today. Behind the boxes, I added this red sparkly cone tree, Christmas tree, and I think the red sparkle looks pretty with the gold sparkle in the box lids. And that is our top shelf, and now we'll move down to our bottom shelf. On the bottom shelf, I placed this giraffe print vase that I have. Definitely a different animal from the animal up here, I know. But what I did last year, just before starting to film my Christmas home tour video, was I very quickly took this vase because I wanted to incorporate this Santa's hat here. It had animal print, and I thought, okay, this is an animal print, not a matching one, but it might do. And I very quickly placed the Santa hat on top of that vase, and it looked absolutely adorable. And I remember thinking, I have to do that for next year as well. So here we are next year, and I'll show you what that looks like. I placed the hat, as you can see, right on top of the vase, and it almost looks as if it is on top of a head. Now, I know this is quite unconventional looking, but really I think it's quite cute, and the whole look here is just sort of different, and I think that that actually looks quite adorable. Now, what are we going to do with this painting here? Well, at HomeSense, I saw a roll of red and black and gold animal print wrapping paper. It was absolutely perfect, but I did not have time to grab it and wait in that very long line. So the very next morning, I went to go grab that paper, and it was gone. My heart was absolutely broken, But then I remembered that I had something that might work. I purchased this animal print wrapping paper last year when I did an animal print tablescape video. And what I did was I actually made placemats with this paper. And I have quite a bit left over, and I think it might possibly be enough for this very long painting. And I think what I'll do is simply put red ribbon and a red bow on it. Hopefully I have that, and then it'll look like a big gift, and it'll look perfect next to our gift boxes. I'm here in my upstairs hallway. I'm rolling out the paper, taking my painting and lying it right on top. And then once that's down, I'm going to just trim it off there. Good thing that the back of this paper has a grid, so I can cut a nice straight line. Not that it would really matter. I will be taping all of that to the back of the painting, taping right on to the wood there. Fold it over just as if I'm wrapping a gift. And then I do that all around. So here's a sneak peek before our final look. And my hot glue gun is plugged in and it's ready to be used on the bow. So I was quite lucky in that I found this great big bow that I have, and it comes with this great ribbon. I believe it might actually be an outdoor bow and ribbon. It's a little worse for wear right in this spot here, but I think once it's up on the wall, that will be fine. We won't be looking at it with eagle eyes, so that's okay. And then I'm going to pretty up the middle right there. So I have this really pretty animal print jewel here. It is actually from a broken bracelet that I have. And when I spoke earlier about using this for an animal print tablescape that I did last year, I used these jewels for the napkin rings. I had a couple left over, so I'm going to use this leftover one and glue it right to the center here. And I'm pretty excited because I think this is going to finish off our look really beautifully. There we go. Now let me get this up on the wall and I'll show you our whole look. Here it is. I did not imagine that the existing animal print paper that I already had would look so perfect. Now, if I had the patience, I would probably put in a bit of black marker around some of this print. You know me and my black Sharpie markers, but honestly, there is so much Christmas decorating still to be done. And had I started a week or two earlier, I most definitely would have added the black, but I think it's fine. I think it just looks lovely and it's pretty striking, I think, and I like it. It's going to be a lot of fun to be looking at this little corner every day until Christmas comes down. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to go visit Debbie Bubbles to see what she has done. She loves her animal print. What I have in animal print really pales in comparison to what she has. So really, I'm looking so forward to seeing what she does, and I hope you'll visit her to see what she does as well. Thank you all so much. Take care, and we'll see you in the very next video.